Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm quickly going to make a quick tutorial here on how to make a song on BandLab using their AI starting thing and with some samples. And then, of course, I'm not going to show, you could always record lyrics to add in here. But this is just to get you started out with a beat that is AI generated, and maybe add some samples in there, make it a little better, a little different. I'm starting out with a lo-fi thing here. You saw me select that, and at the beginning, that's how you go to the plus button there at the beginning. You add the AI starter thing, and then you select what genre you want. You saw that at the beginning there. And you see here, I'm just adding in some samples. If you find one you like, you may repeat it a couple of times. And I'm using the free version of BandLab. So, you may have an ad pop up in between selecting these things here before you actually get into the studio and stuff. But that's okay. That's perfectly normal. And once you've, kind of spaced out your samples here, definitely listen to what the AI gives you. I like to loop it at least once. That way you get a bit longer, at least a minute out of it or so. Sometimes you may have a longer starting thing. You may get, a minute and a half out of it. But I liked that weepy guitar there, so I added that in a couple of times. Wanted to find it again, but I had selected random, didn't know how to find it again. But if you know how to do that, let me know in the comments down below. But I had added a few things in here, and then you may want to select instruments. You may want to go to voice, get a couple of little voice clips in there or something. And then if you want to, you can hit record. You can add in some lyrics. If you've got something, some sort of a song actually, with some lyrics that you've written, you can record that in there. But this is just to get you started on a little bit of a beat and just have that going. You can see I accidentally added this sample here, but it was fine. But I actually ended up liking how that sounded. And then, the song's a little longer, so I tried to find something to put in towards the end a little bit here. I ended up settling on some organ samples after I found some random samples again. And I think I had actually gone back after this and added in the voice clips, but or no, is this when I add in the org? It's fine. But if you want to see more stuff like this, I can show the process a little more. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll answer as many as I can. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.